Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to highlight the text in Word. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. There are two ways to highlight text. The first way is when we first select the text with the left mouse button, and then in the font section click the text highlight color button and select the color for the text. This method works for both the whole text and a part of the text. The second way is to select the highlight color first. As you can see, the cursor has changed, and now if we select any part of the text, it's immediately highlighted in the selected color, which is very convenient if you need to check the entire text and select the required sentences without using the highlight button every time. To exit the highlight mode, press Escape. And to remove the color highlighting, select the text and click No Color. That's all I wanted to tell you. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.